Did you know that Mark Rothko painted his own death months before he died? In 1969, something dark shifted in Rothko's mind. The artist who built his career on glowing reds and brilliant oranges suddenly abandoned color entirely. His final paintings became windows into an abyss, black rectangles floating on gray voids like closed coffins. These weren't just artistic experiments. They were visual suicide notes. As depression consumed him, Rothko methodically prepared for his end. He changed his will, he organized his studio, and he painted his obsession with death over and over, creating horizontal compositions that resembled horizons of nothingness. The art world saw these black paintings as another phase in his evolution. They had no idea they were witnessing a man painting his farewell. On February 25, 1970, Rothko was found in his studio with slashed wrists, surrounded by the prophetic works that had spelled out his intentions for months. His final series wasn't just art. It was a countdown to oblivion that nobody understood until it was too late.